Alright, today we have a really nice free Lightroom preset and profile called Moody 35mm. We're going to take a look at that, and then we're going to jump into the Creative Flow, play around with some professional Lightroom presets and profiles. Let's get to our raw file first, ISO 123mm f11, and here we have Moody 35mm preset and profile. There we go, look at that. Before, after, I'm going to click that, and you can notice two things. You get an adjustable preset and profile. Let's take a look at the preset first. You can always dial it up, and that's going to take the profile with it. Really nice. There's before and after. Look at the change there. And you can also control the profile independently. So let's say there's just the preset, but look what you can do. The profile, you can really get a nice moody look, but I'm going to leave it right at 100. Let's take a look at before and after. Here's before, and here's after. Now, if you really love this preset and profile, we can take a look at the Creative Flow. So you can go straight to the profile, or you can mix them in with any of the presets. Right now, we're going to take a look at the FE. This is the film emulation presets, and these ones mix in a lot of those profiles. So let's go to this one, and this is the Pro version. And you see here, it's pulling the 35mm from the Chroma Pro folder, currently at 15. There we're getting that same effect, and this is where you can mix in any other profiles. Let's take this slide one, currently at 100. Here's a nice classic. That one's really nice, like that one. Take a look at before and after with this one. Here's before, and here's after. Here's just another sample, ISO 135mm f11. Let's use the same preset, before, after, and really play with that profile. So you can get some really beautiful moody shots by using these presets and profiles, all part of the Creative Flow. There's before and there's after. And another quick demo here, ISO 116mm f11 using our Pro version. There we go, we have some different variations here. Let's go with this one, and this one's using a different profile, but look what you can do here. So you can really dial these up. And just for fun, we're going to go back to our 35mm, and there it's at 100. And there you can find that perfect balance. Really great way to make some moody shots before and after. Alright, again, I'll put a link down below for the free version of this preset and profile, Moody 35mm, and also put a link to the Creative Flow, where again you can mix any of the presets with those profiles, and there's quite a few profiles. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.